What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we just got another package for you guys today. So let's check out what this is. They taped it very good. Extremely good. Let me try to get in this way. Yep, perfect. Oh, they bubble wrapped it. Thank you for your purchase. If you are satisfied with your purchase, please leave a review. From eBay. So we have here a rare DVD right here, only exclusive at Walmart. We have Bubble Wrap City. No, bro. We have Evolution 2018. WWE's first ever all-women's pay-per-view. Oh, I cannot believe I have this in my collection, guys. I got this for $15. Dude, this goes on eBay for nearly about $100 or $200. And I got it for $15, bro. We have Becky Lynch and Charlotte in the last women's standing match. Ronda Rousey versus Nikki Bella for the women's for the Raw Women's title. Trish Stratus and Lita face Mickie James and Alicia Fox in tag team action. And look how young Liv Morgan is right here. Oh my God. We also have Io Sky versus Ember Moon in the Mae Young Classic. Alexa Bliss versus Nia Jax, I bet.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
And yeah. Dude, cannot believe I have this in my collection, guys. Clean, bro. And yes, guys, I am watching all of the 2018s. I mean, right now I'm on SummerSlam. Next is Hell in a Cell. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm watching all of these because these are pay-per-views that I don't remember happening. So I'm just rewatching them from 2018. So yeah. But guys, and to get Jimmy and Timmy Power Hour as well today. Yeah. But yeah, I got Jimmy Timmy Power Hour part 1. So cannot wait to watch that as well. Yeah, but right now I'm watching SummerSlam 2018, getting set up to watch these pay-per-views. But I legit want to know how rare this actually is, because it was only I almost said SmackDown exclusive. It was only a Walmart exclusive. So, yeah. We got Evolution 2018. I wish they made more of these, because this was a very good pay-per-view to look back on. Yeah, but we got a blue disc in 2018. So That means I only need one or two. I think I need. I mean, besides Crown Jewel 2018, which I am not getting at all, because first off, I can't find it because it's custom made, and I can't find it anywhere. I think all I need is Backlash 2018, and then I'll be set for the 2018s. So yeah, guys. I have finally in my collection the Walmart exclusive Evolution first ever women's all women's event, all women's pay-per-view. Thank you, Stephanie McMahon, for giving Divas a chance, and thank you, us fans, for giving Divas a chance. So to make this pay-per-view possible in like 2015, it just took until 2018 to make a pay-per-view out of it. Yeah, I mean, look how young these women are in the back, man. Man, we grew up with them. We grew up with these women. So we have Evolution 2018 for you guys today. Please. Oh, sorry. The very rare Evolution 2018. So guys, I've knocked on the door. Please let me in on your YouTube subscription boxes, on your phones, or on your computers, on your tablets, on your PS4s, wherever in the world you guys get YouTube. I want to be in that subscription box. Yeah. And please hit and smash that subscribe button right here. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below. Do you remember this pay-per-view ever taking place in 2018? Did you get your copy from Walmart before they sold out in probably about 10 minutes? Because I went to Walmart searching for this in 2018, and they did not have it. They sold out quick. So I can't believe I'm holding this. Evolution 2018. So please follow the YouTube buzzards. Yes. And guys, there will be reviews on Super Showdown, on Hell in a Cell, and on Evolution when I get to them. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, be on the lookout for more unboxings coming real soon. And guys, I've been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace!